Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are doing a makeup tutorial with a fall inspired look. We have some fall colors going on for today's look. So if you're curious to see how we achieve this look, keep watching. I'm going to start with my eyes by priming them with the Milani eyeshadow primer. This setup right here looks interesting, but I'm just trying to keep my hair back since I straightened it and I did not want anything to get in the way as we're applying makeup, you know? For this look, I'm using Juvia's The Coffee Shop palette, and I'm going to go ahead and first apply. Let's start with this color. I want to go lighter and then work my way to the darker colors. So I'm gonna use this shade with a nice fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now for the second shade, I grabbed another clean eyeshadow brush and I will be using this shade right here and pretty much go on the outer corner of my eye and just blend it. Now with another eyeshadow brush, kind of like this one, less fluffier, but it does the trick when applying glittery shades. I'm going to apply this one right here. It's like a copper shade on the inner corner and just blend it towards the middle or the center of the eye. I want to darken it up a little bit on the outer corner, so I'm going to apply that shade right here with the same eyeshadow brush I applied the darker shade over here. I hope I'm not that confusing. I'm just gonna like use the same brush since it's darker and then just apply a tiny bit right here and not go too far out, but just to smoke out the outer end. I went ahead and applied eyeliner off camera using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and this one is in the shade Black. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Naked Lashes. This is in the style 421. Yeah, 421. Now that the eyes are done for now, I'm going to leave them alone. So I'm going ahead and prime my face with the e.l.f. What is this? Power Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal foundation. This one's the True Match Super Blendable Foundation in the shade N1 Neutral Light. For concealer, I'm using the CoverGirl Concealer. This one's in the shade Light Ivory. To set my face, I'm using the CoverGirl Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent Fair. For bronzer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the shade Shady Biz. For blush, I'm using MAC's Blush in the shade So Natural. Now for highlighter, I'm using Rare Beauty's highlighter in the shade Enlighten. Now I'm going to go back with the eyes with a smaller pencil brush. I'm going in with my lower lash line, so I'm going to apply this shade right here and then just smoke out the lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using Tower 28's mascara in the shade Jet. I got some mascara on that lower area right there, but I'll clean it up in a bit. But for the meantime, I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario eyeliner pencil in the shade Brown and then just go on my waterline. The difference that makes to the eye. Now for brows, I'm using the Benefit Brow Pencil. This one's the shade number 4. I'm going to apply some brow gel using Moira's Ultimate Styler Brow Gel. That was a mouthful. This one's a shade brown. For lips, I am starting with a lip liner using ColourPop's lip liner. This one's the shade Pitch. For lipstick, I'm applying Urban Decay's matte lipstick in the shade Horchata. The lipstick's like almost gone. It's like almost there. And we've reached to the end of the video with the final look. Very perfect for fall, or so I think. You have the browns, the coppers, and a nice good lash. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and sticking around till the end, and I'll see you guys on my next video.